Here, this is a question given. In this missing frequency, x is no, we have to calculate the value of x. They have given median as 24. And we have seen that this median lies in which class? Median class? 58 is the median you got. It is present between 55 to 65, right? Now here you can see in this question, what is the median we got? 167.13. Present in this median class earlier. Here also, in this case also, median we got as 56.67. 56.67 is present in this class. That means median always lies in the median class. So we have been given the median. In the last question, they have given median. That means it should lie in the class range. Which class range this value lies? 20 to
20 to
30.
30.
So this is our median class. So this is median class. Clear? So we have to find out median class here. There we can find out median class. That is, if we know the full value of n by 2. So just after n by 2, whichever the CF value is there, that is the median class. Now here we don't know n value properly because it is 55 plus x. But 55 plus x is how much? We don't know. It can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 15, it can be 30 also. So we can't find out by n by 2. So what we have to do, we have to check out median. So whichever the class interval this median lies, that is the median class. Clear? So this is our median class. Then now we have the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is lower limit of median class? That is 20. N by 2, it is 55 plus X by 2 minus, what is CF? CF is cumulative frequency of
30.
previous class. So previous class is 30. So it is minus 30. F is frequency of the same class, that is X. And the width is 10. Median already given 24. Now don't simplify immediately. Take this first 20 on this side. That is 24 minus 20, which is 4, is equal to 55 plus X. LCM is 2. Multiply here with 2. Minus 60 divided by 2, and this is x, so it is 2x into 10. Okay, now this is x minus 5 into 10. This 2x will transfer on other side, that is 8x. 10x minus 50 is equal to 8x minus 2x is equal to minus 50, so x is equal to 25. Clear? Is the method clear for unknown frequency?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the second type of a question in median, that is one unknown frequency. Then there are two unknown frequency questions are also there. Sixth question of R.D. Sharma, 15.4. Solve the eighth one after this. R.D. Sharma eighth, 15.4. Eighth, ninth. Have you finished 8th question?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
Ma'am, 3406.98.
3406.98. Exact answer.
Ma'am, it's I approximated it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. 9th question after this. 9th question after this. Yes, 9th completed. Ninth one also is straightforward. One what is
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, 56.67.
Ninth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right. For 10th, you're not supposed to do because it is a single value, not class intervals. Ash. The next one is 11th one, where there are two missing frequencies. Incomplete distribution table, you are given the median value as 46 and the total number of items is 230. Find the missing frequencies. So for missing frequency, it is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, till 80, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 12, 30, nothing is there, that is X, 65, second value will consider Y, 25 and 18. Okay, so now in this one they have given median as 46 and the total number of data, that is n, is 230. Okay, so total number of data is 230. So first find out how much is data we have already. 12 and 18 is 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus this is 90. 150 plus x plus y, and the total sum is 150 plus x plus y is equal to 230. So x plus y is equal to 80. Okay, now x plus y is equal to 80. So what is the value of y? Is equal to 80 minus x. We have to substitute y with 80 minus x and then find cumulative frequency. So it is 12, 42, 42 plus x, 42 plus 65, 707 plus x, 107 plus 80, 187 plus x minus x, 0, 187 plus 25, 212 and 230. So sum is 230. Clear? Median is 46. So 46 lies in this class, 40 to 50. So therefore this is median class. So this is median class. So median is equal to L plus n by 2. You have to always write the formula, otherwise you will lose one full mark. 46, L is lower limit, 40 plus n by 2, 230 by 2, that is 115. Is it right? 115, right? Cumulative frequency of the earlier class, that is 42 plus x divided by frequency of the same class, 65, and class width is 10. Then first transfer this side, that is 6 is equal to 115 minus 42 minus x by 65 into 10. 65 goes this side. 65 into 6, 390 is equal to 115 minus 42, 73 minus x into 10 was there. So here divided by 10. So 0 get cancelled. 39 is equal to 73 minus x. So x is equal to 73 minus 39. 34. So x is 34. Then what is y? X is equal to 34. Y is equal to 80 minus 34. That is equal to 46. And calculate the AM of the completed distribution. That is, AM means arithmetic mean. So mean you have to calculate. Of the same data, find mean value. Substituting the x and y value. Substitute x and y value in this table and find out the mean. Mean, have you calculated? Have you calculated mean? What happened? What's the mean value? Yes, Maida, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
45.86.
45.86, right? 666 is no?
Yeah.
So it is whenever it is rounding off, you have to this one. And whenever it is keep on same value, keep on repeating. So you have to round off to 2 decimal place. Just like it is getting 45.66666 is going on. So it is 6, and then after there is a 666, and third one is also 6. So due to that third 6, the second term will become 7. So it is 45.67 it will be.
Ma'am, 45.87.
Yeah, 866 going on, so 87 it is. Answer needed is 2 decimal places. So for finding the answer for 2 decimal place, you need the third one also. Because by knowing third, only the second place is approximated, rounded off. Okay, and if completed 11, then do the 12th one, exactly same one. Missing two frequencies, F1 and F2. And median is given 28.5, and the sum of frequency is given 60. Exactly same way, try the 12th question. 12, 13, 14, all are same. 15th, I need to explain you. Rishika, what's the answer of 12th one?
Ma'am,
12th one?
ma'am, median, I got, ma'am, F1 is equal to 8.
You got it? You got 8?
Yes, ma'am, rest I still don't know.
I think so. It is wrong answer.
Oh, 1 second. Ma'am, I'll check.
What happened? Completed? Anish, 12 done?
I'm just a minute, ma'am, at the end. I'll just finish.
Rohit?
Almost done.
Bhavya?
Just a minute.
What happened if people?
Ma'am, is F1 is equal to 2.75.
2.75. Which question you're solving?
I'm
12,
12.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
12th one, no.
Um,
Calculation mistake. Rishika, what's the answer? Devyani, got the answer? 12th one? This much time needed for that question? Bhavya, you got?
Ma'am, I got 7.25.
You are
Even
getting
I got the same.
5, F1, 20, 15, F2, 5. Total is 60. So what is the total? 25, 40, 45. 45 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 16. F1 plus F2 is equal to 15. So F2 is equal to 15 minus F1. F2 is equal to 15 minus F1. Cumulative frequency 5. 5 plus F1. 25 plus F1. 40 plus F1. 40 plus 15. 55. 55 plus 5. 60. So this is 60. Median is 28.5. So 28.5 lies in this class. So median L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Median is 28.5. L is 20, n by 2 is 30 minus cumulative frequency earlier F5 plus F1 divided by frequency of that class, that is 20, into class width 10. So this get cancelled. This is 8.5. 20 subtracted 28.5 minus 28.5. 30 minus 5 minus F1 by 2. This is 17. 25 minus F1. So F1 is equal to 25 minus 17. F1 is equal to 8. From where you got 7.25? Where you have done mistake?
Ma'am, I took 30 to 40 as the median class.
Yeah. Anish, how you got wrong? Because how you people have got the same one.
yes, ma'am. Even I took that one. 13.
Very good. And Manisha?
Even I did the same.
Very good. The answer is that you got all same answer. And then it will be negative value. Negative is not possible. And Rishika, without doing, you told the answer. Right? Continue. Always remember when the frequency, Mrs. Frequency's median is given, so the median will lie in some class. That class is the median class. 13th. You have to practice all these questions such that you have to do it faster and accurate.
Ma'am, for the 13th one, F1 is 9 and F2 is 15.
That's right. Tanushree, F2 is 15. Thirteen, 14, finish faster. 15th, I need to explain you.
Ma'am, 14th one, F1's 3 and F2 6.
But other students, why you need this much time? Whether you have completed, then do the 19th one. Have you completed 14 question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Thank God. 15th one. Okay. So 15th one, what they have given, they have not given the straightforward class intervals. What they have given is less than 10, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40. Sorry, 30. This is 50. This is 70. Less than 90, less than 110, less than 130, less than 150. Instead of less than, I have written this less than sign. Okay. Now we have to make a class interval of this. So class interval is less than 10 and this is next is less than 30. So that means difference between these two is 20. So it is also the difference between the class intervals also should be 20. That means it will start with 20 before it's minus 10. Minus 10 to 10, actually 0 to 10. Then it is 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 110, 110 to 130, and 130 to 150. But the frequency is according to less than 10, less than 30, less than 50. So that means less than 10, they have given the value as 0. Then less than 30, they have given value 10. Less than 50 is 25, 43, 65, 87, 96, and 100. So here less than 0 is 0. That means nothing is present. Less than 0. That means this frequency is 0. Less than 30 is 10. That means less than 30 will include both of these. So this value is 0. So less than 30 will also become 10. Less than 50 means everything from minus 10 or 0 to 50. Less than 50 means what? 0 to 50 everything. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means 25 is including earlier frequencies also. So these earlier frequencies are present in 25. So that means what is exactly this frequency? Only from 30 to 50, how much it is? Less than 30 is 10, but less than 50 is 25. This means in 30 to 50, how much values? 15. Right? Now less than 70, that means it includes from 0 to 70 everything. So all these values are included in this value 43. So which is exclusive to 50 to 70? For that you have to subtract 25 from 43. So how much will be left? 18. Okay. Now less than 90, the 65 includes all earlier values. So sum of all earlier values you have to subtract from 65 to get the value only from 70 to 90. So subtract 43 from 65. So it is 22. Now again subtract the value 65 from 87. This is 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, again 22. Then again now 96 minus 87. It is 1, 1. No, 6 minus 7 is 9, 9 only. And 100 minus 96 is 4. So these are your all class intervals. And cumulative frequency, we are not considering 0, but cumulative, these are your cumulative frequencies. 0, 10, 25, 43, 65, 87, 96, and 100. So n is equal to 100. And then with the normal method, find out median. N by 2 is equal to 50. 50 lies here in this class interval. Just after 50, 43 is below 50. So therefore the next term is 65. So 65 is a median class. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L median class 70 plus n by 2 50 minus 43 by 22 into class width is 20. Seventy plus 7 into 20 by 22. 2 11s are 2 10s are. So 70 plus 70 by 11. 70 plus 6, 66, 440, 333, 7. 70 is 6, 636. So it is 76.363 is the median. So when the less than value is given, you have to convert into normal frequency. You have to find out by subtracting that class interval from the earlier class interval. You have to subtract. Earlier class interval, you have to subtract from the given class interval. You will get the frequency. And one more thing, wait, I will write together. For the next question, that is more than. So it is more than 150. More than 140. More than 130. More than 120. More than 110, more than 100, more than 90, more than 80, more than 150. Here more than 80 is there, so 80 is the minimum value. So 80 is the minimum, and more than that, that is 90. More than 90 means after 90 to 100 will come. Then till that you can write it 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130, 130 to 140, 140 to 150, 150 to 160. So more than 150 value will come here. More than 140 will count these two. More than 130 will count all these three. More than 120 will count all till 160. More than 110 means 110 to 160. More than 100, meaning it's a think more than 100. So everything including 100 to 160 values. More than 90, that means from 90 to everything. More than 80, that is from 80 to 160, all the values. So what is the value? More than 150. More than 150 value is 0. More than 140 value is given 12. You have to write in a proper order. More than, so now not this one. Sorry, this is 0. This is 12. More than this. This is 0. This is 12, 27, 60. 105, 124, 141, and 150. So now more than 150 value will come. More than 140 is 12. So that means 12 includes more than 140 means this plus this. So 12 plus 0 is 12 only. Now more than 130 is 27. That means sum of all these is 27. So how much is 130 to 140 exactly? 15. Keep subtracting. More than 120, that means 60 minus 27. That is 33. Then more than 110, that is 105. So everything is 105. So out of that, 60 is the earlier value. So this is 45. Then next is more than 100 is 124. So everything till all the sum is 124. Sum of these is 105. So how much is this value only? That is 124 minus 105. That is 19. Then 141 minus 124. 7, 17. And then 141 to 150, 9. So this value is 9. And by knowing this value, write the by this one class interval and frequency we calculated. Now make the this and find the cumulative frequency, make the cumulative frequency table and then find the median. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So write down this earlier, this table, and then you can leave.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Done. The next one table you have written. Second part. Then you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.